Welcome to this series of videos to help improve your practical skills and knowledge about preparing and cooking red meat. These videos are brought to you by Meat and Education.
Hello, I'm going to demonstrate different cooking techniques when using the oven to cook red meat. We're going to look at roasting, stewing or casseroling, braising and baking pies. Ovens work by convection. It heats the air in the oven, which then heats the food to cook it. Roasting uses dry heat and high temperatures. It's usually used for larger cuts of meat, where the dry heat caramelises the surface, giving an attractive brown colour to the roast. Stewing or casseroling is a moist method of cooking and is used to slowly cook tougher cuts of meat, such as those which are from the muscle areas like the neck and shoulder, which do a lot of work. I've made a beef goulash earlier and it's now cooking in the oven. The hot air in the oven is heating the dish, which transfers the heat to the meat through the liquid. An oven-proof dish is used with a tight-fitting lid to keep the liquid from evaporating off during cooking. Stewing is done on top of a cooker, with heat being applied directly to the underneath of the cooking pot. Braising is another moist method for cooking tougher cuts of meat in the oven. The difference with braising is that braised meat sits on a thick bed of vegetables with a small amount of strong stock. Again, a lid is used to retain moisture. The cut of meat used for slow cooking is normally cubes or steaks. Another way of using red meat is as a filling in pies and other dishes which are cooked in the oven. Things like cottage pie, moussaka, beef and onion pie or pork pies. Earlier I made a beef goulash. It's been slow cooking in the oven for 2 hours. Because it's been cooking for a long time, the collagen in the meat has turned into gelatin, making the meat much more tender. I'm garnishing the goulash with freshly chopped parsley and serving with soured cream.
For more information about red meat, cooking and healthy eating, as well as lots of recipe ideas, go to meatandeducation.com.